What is up? It's your girl Shay, and I thought that it would be a great idea for me to get on here to help you because I didn't have nobody to help me. And I have been shopping with Fashion Nova for a decade. Like, I don't even know why it did not dawn on me that I was not using my gift cards correctly. Anyway, so to avoid this from happening to you, I decided to do a tutorial on how to correctly use your gift cards. And also, if you have misplaced them, you want to make sure that you look at this tutorial because I'm going to go step by step in terms of how to retrieve as well as correctly use your gift cards to make your purchase. So let's just get into it so that you guys won't have this problem when you're trying to use your gift cards. Now, if you have a question in terms of, did I receive my gift card or you have seemed to have lost it, all you have to do is go up at the top corner here on your profile. As you can see, I'm already logged in and simply click here for gift card. It would then take you right to the gift cards. Now, as you can see, I have one currently active that I have not used. Well, I kind of already used it, but I have a balance of $2.16. Now, all you have to do is simply click here where it says resend to my email, and it will send the entire code over to you for you to use. Let's just get into it right quick. So let me go to in new. Say for instance, I'm gonna click on here. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add an extra large. All right. Now, say for instance, I'm about ready to check out. So I hit there. And so here, now, just so you know, because I thought Fashion Nova was trying to take my money, honey, you will not enter your gift card discount code here or any other codes here. Well, I'll take that back. You can insert, like, say for instance, if you want to take 10% off, you would do the take 10, which may or may not work. Okay. They normally give that to you just in case, but they also have codes up here as well. So they'll tell you what code you should use so that you can get your discount. So for me, I use take 10 because sometimes I'm able to use that based off the fact that they kind of give that one to you and apply. If it works, it will show, which it did. So it took off $4.79. Now, just so you know, as I mentioned before, your gift cards will not work in this section. So please do not try to use it there. What you want to do is go to proceed to checkout. I was able to adjust everything so you would not see my personal information. So this is the page in which you would apply your gift cards, not the previous page, but this page. I thought Fashion Nova was trying to take me for my coins, but your gift card codes will only work at the checkout section. So you will simply, however many you have, do them one at a time, hit apply, and it will adjust your total to either zero balance or whatever your remaining balance is. So this is the area, guys, once again, in which you will apply your gift card codes.